The Sephora sale is currently underway. This video will probably go up before it ends, and I'm excited to share everything that I picked up during the sale. This is my box. It is here. It is one box of two. The next one probably won't be here for like a week and a half because I was slow to picking the last decision items, but these were the things that I was most excited about. I'm going to share everything that I got. If you like an unboxing video, you're interested in Sephora products, skincare, makeup, fragrances, I'm about to go through all of that, so let's get into it. Hi, I'm Jeanique. I love to shop, I love bougie shit, and the Sephora sale is something I look forward to because I get to re-up on items I know I'll be using all year at a 20% discount. What's not to love? In today's video, I'm going to go through everything that I picked up. I've done a few of these videos before. This is probably the smallest one I've done yet. Look at me growing and having self-control. It really is overrated, but I'm going to go through everything that I picked up and share it with you just in case you're curious about some of these items. I have everything from skincare to makeup to fragrances in here, so I'll share all of it with you, and hopefully it'll be useful to you if you are thinking of shopping this Sephora sale, probably not, or the next one, or you just like to have a fun time and hang out with me. Now, if you love a beauty related video, something related to fragrances, then I hope you go ahead and subscribe because it is fun over here. I am fun, and I'm about to show you all of that. I don't know, I feel like I'm talking myself up and you're about to be disappointed. Either way, thank you for being here. Like the video right now. I'd love that.
Let me know how you feel, make it time for ya. If it's
the box is open, y'all. Look at this baby. It is not a lot. It is a reasonable amount of Sephora related products. Oh, they have some sort of pamphlet. Give something beautiful, gifts for everyone on your list. This has never come in one of these before, so that's new. They're selling to us, y'all. They want us buying, basically. So in terms of fragrances, I picked up Paco Rabanne's Million Gold for Her. This is a fragrance that I've been low-key obsessed with for a few months now, and I'm excited to get a gift set of it because it means I get a free travel size, which is the best part. We got some body care here. I also got, I'm gonna try some Olaplex, y'all. I don't usually get hair care from Sephora, but you know what? A girl can branch out. We have some lip products. More lip products. More lip products. Am I obsessed with lip products? Because it's feeling like that right now. This is skincare, and we're gonna go through all of it. And this last thing is serum. It's skincare. Okay, let's go through everything. So let's start off with Olaplex. So I picked up the Iconic Shine set. The reviews on this are fantastic. Now, I've been using more heat on my hair more recently, and these are supposed to help with protecting your hair when you're styling it and you're using a lot of heat, and I'm hoping this is going to rock my whole world. I'm right now just using pretty basic products which are doing okay, but I'm not super happy with how frizzy my hair gets like midway through to the end of the day, and I'm hoping this is going to help with that because it says leave-in styling treatment, bond smoother, reduces frizz. I am taking them at their word, and I'm hoping for the best. Am I expecting the best? I don't know. Next is from The Ordinary. This is body care. This is a niacinamide sort of body treatment. So if you want to do a little body care on your body, this is one way to do so. And The Ordinary is so inexpensive relative to some of the other items in Sephora. So this has niacinamide at 5%. I've used niacinamide at 10%, which can be a little bit irritating. So I think this will be great for the body, for parts of my body that needs a little bit of like discoloration help and anti-inflammatory help. So I'm very excited about this one. I'm not expecting magic, but I'm hoping for it, obviously. Now, the last Sephora sale, I ended up getting a different vitamin C mask to save money. I had wanted my tried and true Used to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. This makes my face feel like a baby's bottom. Like, my face is never so soft as when I wear this to bed. And I've been trying to find an alternative that wasn't as expensive, because this is low-key 70 something Canadian dollars, so like 50, 60 US. It is very expensive. I was trying to work around it and nothing has lived up. I am tired of searching. So I'm going back to the Dream Mask, at least for now. Did I just remember it more positively than it deserves? I don't think so, but we shall see. Now, I got the Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum from Danessa Myricks. And this is a mattifying and priming face serum. Now, do I personally need mattifying and priming? Not as much, because I have pretty dry skin, but sometimes. So it'll be nice to, this is a reward. It'll be nice to like try this out, test this out, see what it gives, and hope for the best, because I'm going to be optimistic. The other reward that I picked up was the anti-frizz cream, and this is from Way. As you can see, I'm trying to branch out into different like hair products from Sephora. Maybe something will work. So if the Olaplex anti-frizz does not work for me, maybe the Way will. I'm hoping something does it, because the frizziness at the end of the day is kind of maddening. It's not good. It's not good, y'all. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, go ahead and do so. It would mean so much to me. I would really appreciate it. Hype the video, leave a comment, do all the things. Now let's get back to the video. I did not get any of the samples that I picked out. I picked out 2 perfume samples and none of them came. That is unacceptable. I want my samples, Sephora. I will say I've gotten a lot of samples from Sephora over the years, so I'm not gonna start shit. There won't be no shit, but like, I was looking forward to those fragrance samples, because there are 2 perfumes that I had not tried before. But whatever. All right, let's get into, before we get to lip products, because we have a lot of lip products allegedly, apparently. Let's dive into this guy here, and this, y'all, is from Rabanne. This is Million Gold for Her, a criminally underrated fragrance that mixes together florals, vanilla, there's jasmine in here, there's some rose, there is all kind of fruit. It's delicious smelling, it's musky, it's beautiful, it smells youthful and fun and carefree, and I'm such a fan of this. I'm going to spray just a little bit to remind myself how much we love each other, because we do. We love each other so much. And it's just as good as I remember, y'all. This is incredibly pretty with a little bit of attitude and a little bit of va-va boom to it. It's not your basic bitch pretty girl fragrance. It's your side-eyeing bitch pretty girl fragrance. I'm such a fan of this, and I'm very happy to add it to my collection. Okay, so we have some lip products here. First up is from Sephora brand. So this right here is Sephora's transfer proof lip liner, 8-hour colorful, in the shade Molasses. That sound like me, right? It is a nice, so very, I'd say neutral brown shade, maybe leaning warm, really pretty. And this is paired with, this right here is the Juicy Lip Tint, Totally Juicy Lip Tint. And I do love a lip tint because I love a staining effect more than I just like a plain ass gloss. I feel like I'm getting more for it. And this is in the shade Mocha Crush. Wow, this is like a reddish brown in the same vein as Hot Chocolate from Fenty. You can see it here. We get like this sort of neutral brown and this sort of reddish brown together. This right here is what the combo looks like. It's lovely. The next lip liner that I got, because there are more. I told you there are a lot of lip products. I don't know, I went a little overboard, I think, as far as lip products go. This is Fenty in Bordeaux. You can see it has like a little purplish color to it, which is really nice. Finally, I picked up one of the Sephora favorites. I feel like I always pick up one of these. It's like an opportunity to try out a bunch of things that I wouldn't handpick for myself, just to see if there are items here that really hit for me. So I'm gonna go through. It comes in this beautiful sort of spongy pink bag, and there are a few lip products in here. We have Tarte Lip Plumpers, very tiny mini thing. We have a gloss called Faux Filter from Huda Beauty. It is in the shade Bombshell. It looks like it's going to be a pretty shade. We also have a lip oil from Kosas called the Wet Lip Oil. However, this seems to be breaking up already. I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't look great in the bottle, but I'm hoping for the best. We have a Fenty lip gloss in the shade, it's a Glass Bomb Luminizer in the shade Fenty Glow. I was hardcore looking at this particular shade specifically on its own before realizing it was in here, so it's something I already wanted. This is a Say lip liner. I have no Say lip liners, but I am wearing a Say blush today, and I really like their products. And this lip liner is in 101, aka Twist. It looks like it's a very light brown color. And finally, it looks like we have Vital Hydro Solution from Dr. Jart. It's a hydrating lip mask. So I guess it's just for bed, no real color. You can see it's pretty, I don't know, neutral on the inside. We're gonna look at some of these lip products and see what they're giving, because I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic, and I am so ready to try these. So first up, this is this doesn't feel as soft and doesn't glide on as easily as either the Fenty Beauty or the Sephora, but maybe that's not a bad thing. This is also a reddish color. It's not as brown as I thought it was going to be. This is a Fenty Glow. It's very like shimmery and orange. So these are all of the shades. This right here is the Fenty Glow. This is a Clarins lip oil right here, and that is in the shade Red Water. It is a very bright orangey red. We also have this here from Huda Beauty. It looks like a very warm tone, rosy nude color. We also have this balm here in an almost like very light, barely there, not super like pigmented brownie color. And this is the Kosas. It's already separating sort of on my hand. It's very oily. And it is a much lighter compared to the Huda. It's more of like a neutral rosy as well, but in a lighter tone. All of these I think are going to work, especially with lip liners and things. And so I'm very happy. I also think all of these will work pretty well with this particular lip liner from Say Beauty. I think the sort of dark reddish undertones that you see here, I think might work well for a lot of the rosier and nudie kind of colors. So that was about half of all the items that I picked up during the Sephora sale. Mostly lip products, but a few other items like the fragrance that I picked up. I hope you enjoyed watching this and helping me unbox everything. And I'll come back with any reviews that are necessary, lip products, everything else that might be useful to you. If there are specific reviews that you would like to see, don't forget to drop them down in the comment section. I would be happy to oblige. Again, I'm Jeanique, a lover of a good up sale, and the Sephora one, I took half advantage this time around. I'm taking full advantage. I'll come back with that video when the time comes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Running through my mind all day, hanging on every word that you say, and I love the way you say my name, yeah. Baby, I love how you say it, rich like butter and I wanna taste it. Got my heart beating 90 BPM and feel like a track, so I'm racing.